Frontier Health COVID virtual crisis counseling service is designed to provide outreach crisis counseling to persons impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. And here to share with us more about this important service by Frontier Health is Julia Hanneken. Good morning, Julia. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am great. Tell us more about this. It's a fairly new service that you all are offering there through Frontier Health.
Yes, it is. We're very excited. It's a service it's a grant through FEMA and through SAMHSA and the Tennessee Department of Health. And what we're doing is it's a hotline for people that have been directly affected by COVID-19. People are able to call our number and we do some debriefing exercises with them. We help them normalize what they're feeling, and then we can also direct them to resources to help with basic needs.
Talk us through what has been the one call that you've received more than others. What are folks feeling right now during the pandemic? What are they reaching out to you for?
What people are feeling right now is a lot of anxiety about what's going on in our world. Not only are we dealing with COVID-19, but we're also with the upheavals between the different demonstrations and things that we're having around the country, but they're also dealing with job loss and how this affects their daily lives.
And you have experts standing by there. Tell us about, on your end of the call, who is standing by there to talk to callers when they call in?
We have crisis therapists. We have 2 trained master's level crisis therapists that are able to help them with whatever emotional or psychological issues they're feeling, and then they're also able to treat or help them direct them to resources in the area.
That was going to be my next question. Once that call is over with, there's some follow-up there, isn't there?
Yes, there is. We call them to see how they're doing, to see if they did follow up and maybe call for that therapy appointment, or if they call for those resources, whether it's food or financial assistance, and to see if they need any further help.
And I've seen the billboards you all have advertising this service out and about. How many calls have you received so far? Has it been well received among those calling in?
Well, I'm not able to speak to the number of calls that we've gotten, but it's a program that's really just getting started.
Right.
We just started at the beginning of August, and so right now we're working really hard to get the word out that that we are available for people to call.
And it's available 7 days a week, correct?
Yes, we are 7 days a week from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m.
And this is, if somebody just needs to talk to somebody, this is a great resource, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely. And that's what we're here for, is to, help people normalize their feelings and to help them just get through this initial, and I guess just the initial feelings of what's going on with them, and to help direct them possibly to outpatient services. Very
good. Where did the idea from this spring from? Where did y'all sit down at one point and say, this is something we need to do?
No, we did not do this. We were, our upper management was notified from the state. So this is a program that's being offered in all the different crisis departments or agencies throughout the state of Tennessee.
But it's got to make you all feel wonderful that you're being able to provide this service, because I think it's truly something that is needed in our community right now.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Working in the crisis department, I am seeing people with a lot more anxiety and depression from what's going on, and just from the upheaval that it's causing in our lives.
If you could just go ahead and give us that number, how folks can call if they need some help.
So the telephone number is 434-2684.
All right. Julia Hanneken, thank you so much for taking some time with us, and we're definitely trying to get the word about this service.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. It is Frontier Health. It is, are you feeling stressed, anxious, overwhelmed? They've got this new hotline, and there's the number right there on the screen. 7 days a week from noon until 10 p.m. each day. Free COVID counseling and resources right there on the screen. Take advantage of it.